Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making baked chicken legs. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 8 chicken legs, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you have thoroughly cleaned and dried your chicken legs. Now, using a sharp knife, cut slits into your chicken. This will create more surface area for the seasoning to adhere to and will allow the chicken to cook more evenly. In a small bowl, combine the garlic powder, salt, and onion powder. Add the smoked paprika, parsley flakes, and pepper, then mix until well combined. Place your legs in a large bowl, then add the olive oil. Now add your seasoning and mix until each leg is well coated. If you like this recipe and you want to see more soul food cooking, please comment below, like, and share. Cover your bowl with a plastic wrap, then place your legs in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now place your legs in a single layer on a baking sheet. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 35 minutes or until your chicken has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to craft.